Hi, I'm Debs from South Essex Slings. I am going to show you the Lenny Lamb Upgrade Pro carrier in a back carry with a toddler sized doll. So first things first, adjusting the carrier to fit your child. In the waistband, you've got the Velcro adjustment, so you need to get that to the correct width for your child's legs. And then you've got the adjustment on the panel, which makes it shorter and taller depending on the size of your child. Making sure if you do something on one side, you do it in equal measure on the other so that everything is nice and symmetrical. Then this carrier has perfect fit adjusters. So you've got the lower adjustment for the height of the carrier on your child, and the one above it is called a perfect fit adjuster, and this is for you and your comfort. In a back carry, I always suggest that you tighten those fully because it makes the straps fit a little bit nicer on most people. So you can tighten those up before you start. Make sure you have your shoulder straps connected to the side that they come from. So they're in sort of rucksack mode. And then we'll get started. I'm going to show you how to do a hip scoot with this one. So you're going to get your waistband onto your front like you normally would for a front carry, clipped in and tightened up. You don't want it super tight, but just snug enough. Shoulder straps ready, clipped in, ready to go. Find your child, pop them onto your front. Get them seated into the carrier, so get their knees up in that squat position, get their bum just dropped lower than the top of that waistband in that nice deep seated squat position, supporting under their bum and thighs. Bring that fabric up and over their back. Give them a little jiggle into there and make sure all of that fabric is covering them. With bigger children, once they have got head and neck control, they can have their arms out over the top of the carrier if you wanted, so you can lower the height of the panel and have their arms over the top if you want, so it would look a little bit more like that. Bring these straps in front of your baby, so either over their shoulders or under their arms. We are going to just hold them in one hand to begin with. I am going to take my baby to my right hand side. So I am going to position my right hand in the middle of the straps, palm up to the ceiling, and I'm going to take hold of both straps in that hand. If I was going to my left side, I would put my left hand in the middle of those straps and take them in my left hand. So you are holding baby nice and securely with those straps in your hand. You will take your opposite hand to your waistband, take a breath in, and start sliding baby round to your back. As you go, your arm, your elbow needs to come forwards, and you can tuck it into that strap there if you want, and then you will continue taking them round, taking your hand above your shoulder and swinging them round to your back. Making sure their bum is nice and central on your body. I've already got my arm in this side. I'm going to reach, get the other strap and bring that round. Always keeping hold of it until your arm is in. Clip up your chest strap and then we can start to tighten. To tighten, we will pull the slack from the strap. We're going to lift kind of up, lift baby's weight up, bring that slack round towards that buckle, and then you have a choice. You can pull this one down and backwards, or you've got one on the other side that you can pull up. So it doesn't matter which one you use. Same on the other side. Bring in baby's weight up and round and then tighten through. This can be moved up and down for your comfort, so you can move that wherever you need to move it to. If you need baby a bit higher, you will shimmy their bum and that waistband up, lift that up and then tighten everything through. So that is your back carry. You want to make sure that your baby is able to breathe back there, so you can check with your phone camera, or you can buy little sling mirrors that attach to the carrier and you can just check on your baby that way. So you want to make sure they're always able to breathe, their airways are nice and clear and visible, and they should be held nice and snugly on your body, just like they are in a front carry. If they're loose and leaning back, then they're not safe. So we need them nice and snug against your body and their airways able and nice and clear so they can breathe. To get baby back down, we'll reverse what we did to get them up there. So I'm going to unclip my chest clip. My left shoulder strap I'm going to loosen. So I want to come under that plastic bit and lift that away. Keeping hold of it, I'm going to take my arm out. My left hand is going to take it, pass it behind my neck to my right hand, and my right hand is going to take both of those straps again. So if you're going to the left, you're going to reverse that with your other hand. We're going to take both straps in my right hand and bring that waistband back round to the front. Once I've got hands on baby, I can let go of the carrier. I have some other videos with other carriers in my buckles back carry playlist that have slightly different ways of getting baby up there if you're struggling with that one. So give them a watch and always reach out to me if you are struggling. I can do in-person and online sessions to help you, show you and teach you how you can do this safely by yourself. If you have any questions, please reach out.